Hello, my name is Mason Tai, and this is my final Mandarin speaking oral presentation. And the first question is my name, grade, age, and birthday. 我叫蔡永元，我在11年级，我17岁，我的生日是3月22号。The second question is what classes do you take this semester? 这个学期我有生物学课、历史课、论乐课、三教学课和中文课。What subject do you like the most and why? 我最喜欢历史课，因为我喜欢学习和阅读历史，所以我觉得这课很有意思。What subject is difficult or easy to you? How many hours do you work on homework every day? Are you busy or not? 我对中文课感兴趣，虽然我喜欢中文课，但是我觉得困难。我每天花大约1个小时做中文功课，我每天都很忙。因为除了功课以外，我差不多每天还要跑步和参加跑步比赛。The third question is, please talk about your summer plan and life. What do you plan to do this summer? 今年夏天我计划参加在线课程，为上大学做准备。What are you not allowed to do this summer? 今年夏天我不能每天在家看电视和玩电脑游戏。Do you plan to travel to other countries or cities, or do you plan to study abroad? Are you going to take summer classes? What classes do you want to take? 我原本打算去纽约参加暑期班，但现在我不能去了，因为 coronavirus。为了学生的安全，课程被取消。在纽约，我本来计划在纽约大学上计算机课，我现在可能会给用在线课程。If you plan to travel, what transportations do you prefer and why? 如果我今年夏天旅行，我会坐飞机，因为飞机又安全又快。What kinds of foods or drinks do you like to eat? 我喜欢各种各样的食物和饮料。我最喜欢的是披萨和珍珠奶茶。What other activities do you usually do in your summer? Why do you like to do it? 在夏天有的时候我看电影，有的时候我跑步，还有的时候我游泳。Do you think that you have made a good summer plan and why? 我觉得我暑假计划非常好，因为我会学到很多新东西，对我的大学申请也有好处。我有点伤心，我的计划被改变了，但我知道现在的情况很紧张。